Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to stop automatic backups starting with the account and connection. Sign into the Google account that currently uploads your images because changes apply per account. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi and your device has enough battery or is charging. This prevents partial sync issues. Open the Google Photos app on mobile or go to Photos. Google, com in a browser. Once done, move to Settings to find the backup controls and prepare to disable them step by step. Now you'll turn backups off and adjust what was already set to sync. Tap your profile icon, choose Photos Settings, then Backup and Sync. Toggle Backup and Sync off. This stops new uploads from this device. Confirm you're changing the intended account if prompted. While here, review upload size and disable cellular uploads to avoid charges. Also open device folders to stop specific folders from syncing. This prevents both immediate future backups and accidental re-enabling of folders. Finish by verifying that Backup and Sync now displays off and check the last backup timestamp so you know nothing is mid-transfer. Repeat these settings on any other devices where your account is active because changes apply per device. If photos keep uploading, clear the app cache, update the Google Photos app, or revoke Google account backup access from security. Google. Then reauthorize only desired devices. If problems persist, sign out everywhere and sign back in selectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.